Alright guys, amigos, here we have a rhino head. We're going to repair the broken horn here and the ear. Vamos a reparar el cuerno y la oreja. Now the ear is a very clean break, so crazy glue works just as good when you have a very clean break and when the piece is not that heavy. Cuando no pesa tanto la pieza, la cola loca es muy buen arreglo. So, but I don't just add the crazy glue and that's it. I'll show you in a bit what I do. No nada más le pongo yo la cola loca. Hago un poquito más. So we just put the crazy glue on there and put the piece here. And there it is. Now again, it's a pretty clean break right where the wrinkles are, so you really can't tell as much. No se nota tanto ya que hay arrugas. But still, I won't leave it like that. I want to reinforce it. You can reinforce it with a dowel or a wire, but this wasn't really necessary because it's not that heavy. As you can see, it's nice and firm now, and it holds the weight already. Ya lo detiene bastante bien. But you still want to play it safe. So this is what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is actually carve into the area where it was glued. Okay, como vieron, le escarbé como quien dice un poquito aquí en la área donde estaba pegado. Now what I'm going to do is use the epoxy sculpt. Voy a usar esta pasta. Equal amounts, partes iguales. And what I'll do is just wrap it around. Se lo pongo en la área. With a bit of water, con agua. I smooth it out. This will reinforce it. Again, you could have used the wire, but you know, this is pretty simple and quick. Esto es bastante rápido también. Pueden usar un alambre en vez de esto, pero esto lo refuerza. And with the tool y con la herramienta, you take away the excess, se le quita el exceso, and then you will just create the wrinkles to blend in. And again, with brush and water, you blend it in. Then we'll do the wrinkles. Con el agua se desvanece. And there you have that part. So we'll let that dry. Vamos a esperar que todo eso se seque. Meanwhile, we'll work on the big guy. Now, for this guy, con este, if you notice, if we put him in here, there's quite a bit of gap in here. You can still use crazy glue. Todavía se puede usar la cola loca. Es bastante fuerte. It's nice and hard. And what helps here, lo que ayuda aquí es que you got a big old gap there. So when we mix up the putty, cuando mezclemos el putty, we push it in there, and that's going to reinforce it even better. So in a way, it's good that it has a big ass hole there. Lo bueno es que tiene un grande agujero. So let's just do the crazy glue again, and then we'll do the putty. Now you can use 5-minute epoxy, which is just as strong. Pueden usar el 5 minutos de pegamento, que es bastante fuerte. But crazy glue works good for this kind of little things. Now we're also going to fix that little thing here. And this little guy here. También vamos a arreglar este pedacito que le falta y aquí. Okay. We want to push the putty inside. Okay, ya le creé las arrugas, did all the little wrinkles on there, so we're going to wait for that to dry. Now the epoxy, this stuff here, Esta cosa es bastante fuerte, o sea, it really holds on to pieces. I mean, really, really good. So you don't really need to add anything on these other guys. Just by adding this alone would do the trick. So you want to make sure you smear it on there. There you go, and then you want to create the little crevices on this guy. Bueno, that's an easy one. We just smear it on there. Add the wrinkles, las arrugas. Okay, so this is nice and dry, so let's just do some painting. Start with a little bit of white. Vamos a empezar con un poquito de blanco. And do the light color, which is this one here. Since this is a light gray, we're just going to go in with transparent black. Vamos a hacer este negro transparente, ya que es un gris claro. So we'll just hopefully get the color that we want, so we'll see. There you go. Okay, now we just add a little weathering, un poquito de negro para ensuciarlo. There you have it. Ahí está. Now we're going to fix this part here with the skin. So vamos a arreglar estos rayones de la piel. But after I'm done, now we just want to seal them up. The paint that we just did. La pintura que acabamos de hacer. You just want to sand down the area. Oh, I have to finish this area. Se me olvidó terminar esto. Alright, we're going to paint them white. Vamos a usar blanco. A little bit of red to try to match it, un poquito de rojo. Let's seal that. We're going to go in with a little bit of brown. Alright guys, so here he is. Aquí está. All fixed. Todo ya arreglado. Anyway, so again, hope you learned something. Till next time. Hasta la próxima.